I'm going to be doing my eyebrow tutorial. Welcome everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your Bianca Beleta guys. Today I'm going to be doing eyebrow tutorial for those people who find it difficult to draw the eyebrow. I believe this video will help you, and that is it. So I will be using this primer over here. I will just take a little bit of it and then go to my eyebrow this way, and then I blend it. Okay, so that is it. Make sure you always blend you always apply concealer to it, okay, so that it will give you that very look, and that very eyebrow like neat, and it will stay long. Okay, so I use my Pond's primer, and now after that I will just take my brush. That one just fell down. I'll take another one now, and we'll just go this way and brush it. It's not easy when looking at your lens, but we are trying. You know, when you are using phone, it's different from when you are using your camera. So I will just go this way. This is how you go. You just follow to your natural eyebrow lashes hair, okay, just take it step by step, then you leave it like this. Then you go up this way. You take the hook. Use my light. I don't know what is wrong with the light today. My ring light is just making me somehow, I don't know what I'm seeing, but I believe the video will be clear later. You just spray, so when you are watching it, you are able to manage it. Forgive my light, forgive me, yeah, because I have baby here, and the place I'm supposed to place the phone, and that is not the make place now. Yeah, it's fine. We are gonna manage it together. As a mother, you manage things, okay? So as I was saying, this is it then. Okay, so yeah, I can just light it a little bit this way. Then we are gonna conceal. I will draw this other side. I will follow this way, just trust it. Okay, follow up the first step the way you do it before, and remember, your eyebrow is not the same. One is higher than one. Okay, I think I just load the flash of this my ring light. Okay, so I believe this video will be of air because I have many ladies who their eyebrow, they still struggle with it, so that is why I'm following this step now. Okay, so and when doing here, just be soft with it this way. Don't worry, you use your concealer to correct it. Okay, so this is in case you are finding it difficult to draw your eyebrow, and I can use my eyebrow filler to fill it because this one is not going well. So I'm using my eyebrow filler from Kiko. This eyebrow filler for Kiko, the bomb. Now just brush it now, then conceal. Okay, I believe the feeling is okay this way. One of those days you just need to feel and feel. Now you don't even need to feel. The more space you have in your eyebrow, the beauty for it is. Just like the fashion of these days, like even using concealer to put space, imagine. So I will use my eyebrow this way. Oh sorry, my brush, eyebrow blusher, to just do it this way. Okay, this light is simply is manage it. Okay, so this is the concealer I'll be using. It's just to tune. Okay, now go this way. We all need the Okay, then to the top. We'll go for the top now.
For every selfish thing I do, tell me what's going on inside of me. I despise my own behavior. This only serves to confirm my suspicions that I'm still someone in need of the Savior. I wanna be in the light, as you are in the light. I wanna shine in heaven. Oh Lord, be my Lord and be my salvation. I wanna dwell in
Okay, so let me go to the other side. So I'll know what to call it. Okay, guys, that is the eyebrow. I'll pack it. Okay, so in case you want to just brush this way, just take it. You are done.
Diseases of suffering through my blood, like a cancer fatal to the soul. Every attempt on
So my is your baby girl Bianca Bellezza girls. In case you want to know how I achieve this look, stay tuned as we go for the look. And before we going for the look, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that whenever I update, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, you can see the way I'm looking so gorgeous, and you want to look beautiful like the way I'm looking. Very simple look, very much simple and well explained. You know my makeup now, I explain every details. So don't forget to subscribe, share to request, please share, like and subscribe. Okay, thank you for watching, thank you for staying tuned, thank you for turning back, thank you for subscribing, thank you for sharing out, thank you for your thumbs up, thank you for the love and support. I love every one of you, my queens. You guys are so amazing and wonderful people. I really do. Stay tuned and let's go and glow it together.